Look at all this pet mania stuff. Dog beds. Look at that one. Sticks out halfway an aisle. There's another one. Great big things. What do they cost? That little one there is $50. What is this one? Oh, I don't see a price on it. Could be, that one there is $40. Some more modest ones over here. $40. Yeah, you probably pay $50 for the big one, who knows. He'd love that though. Probably. Yeah, it's just aisle after aisle of pet stuff. Look at it. Dog food. Oh, here we get into the horse stuff. Horse and, what is that? Still dog food, yeah. Energy what? Dog food. Okay. Yeah, dog food. That's what it is. More dog food. Puppy food. Cat litter.
Generic. Hold on.
Bird stuff. Neato. Bovine. Equestrian. Even got stuff for the trappers. It's a big coyote trap. What in the world they want for that? Big coyote trap. $159 probably. What that is. Wouldn't doubt it. Smaller ones are 50, 30. Yeah, now we're in the poison. Yeah, thanks fly. Although they got a bunch of Chinese stuff. They're not by themselves, salt rocks. Yeah, neato. Neato.